My name is Dobbs. I come from America. I play the bass. And I'm here in Kurdistan for 2 weeks to play music for you. The music that I'm playing was written 300 years ago by the greatest musician who ever lived, Johann Sebastian Bach. He lived in Alemania 300 years ago. Sometimes he wrote music that people could dance to. So while you're listening to the next one, in your mind, you might imagine people dancing. In English, we say mayonnaise. En français, on dit mayonnaise. But Kurdi allein, mayonnaise, mayonnaise. Every language on earth, the same phrase. Mayonnaise. 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 Is that the people and the Kurdish people are very kind and very nice. As you get older, don't forget that. Stay nice, stay kind.